We bought a Celestron AstroMaster 70AZ for my son Eli. So we are going to open it up and see what we got. You want to open it? I will cut it and let you open it. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's be careful. Are you excited? What do you think's in here?
I think I know what is in there.
He used his birthday money. So let's see. All the kids are excited.
What?
Yeah. What?
Another box.
A box within a box. So let's get it out of the box and then we'll look.
Is that there's a
Yeah.
disc? Well, I'm guessing that disc would be helpful.
We'll look at all that information.
So box inside a box inside a box.
Lots of boxes, but you gotta take care of this. It's a very
excited,
expensive tool. Instrument.
Instrument?
This is an instrument. I think this is the most important piece.
These are my favorite bubbles. Sailor, let me have my bubble supply.
Alrighty, you ready? This is it right here.
The scope?
This is the scope. Here it is.
Here it is.
You want to take the paper off? Alright, don't drop it. No, hold it. You got it? Is that bigger than you thought it was?
Much bigger.
Eli, smile.
It is big, isn't
Show
it?
it to me.
That is awesome, bud. That's a really cool telescope.
Smile.
I like it.
Smile like you're proud.
Oh, it has a cap on.
Yeah, this probably should have a cap on both ends. See, you want to protect those lenses. Okay, let's look at the rest. Okay. Okay.
Looks like we have a lot of
Oh, careful.
glass cleaner. That's good.
Last clean. Oh, lens
And
clean.
then one of these. And then another. Two of these, Dad.
Yeah.
There you go.
Look at those eyepieces. Right? Different magnification.
And there is, I'm guessing, a piece that you will look through.
All right, what's that?
Then I'm guessing another one.
This is your scope to line up things. You'll see.
Yep.
Yeah. You know what this is?
This is my stand, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
And what's in here?
Well, find out.
With some bubble wrap. Yay!
That is your tray. It's part of the stand.
Oh, I can see that. Bubble wrap! More bubble.
Look at this, bud. This is a nice stand.
Oh, yes. It
Very
is.
nice tripod.
Bubble.
All right.
Where are we putting on the pieces?
I think what we can do, bud, is put this together. So we'll, yeah, take a little break from the video, put it together, and then come back.
Thumbs up.
Awesome.
Nothing's broke. It's all here. I think we're ready to go.
Where's
What do you
gonna put
think?
this?
Don't worry about it, bud. You excited to use it? Okay. We're going to have fun tonight.